This is the summarized step-by-step process kung paano mag-apply dito sa South Korea bilang factory worker, shipbuilding, hotel restaurant, and caregiver. Almost magkakaparehas lang po ito ng process papunta dito sa South Korea. Before that, let's check kung pasok ka sa qualifications. Meron po silang age limit from 18 to 38 years old, single or married, physically fit, elementary, high school, college level, or college graduate, pwede. Then, with or without work experience, walang height and weight limit, babae, lalaki, bakla, tumboy, pwede mag-apply. Late registered or kahit yung walang middle name is okay. Tattoo is also allowed. So, yun po yung mga qualifications, no? Now, let's proceed sa step-by-step process. Okay, so step 1, kailangan meron kang passport. Kung wala pa, kumuha ka na. Step 2 is mag-learn ng Korean language. Pwede kang mag-self-study or mag-enroll sa mga Korean language center. Step 3 is mag-register. So, meron po yan dalawang registration. Step 4 is ipasa ang exam. Then, step 5 is medical. Step 6 is mag-antay ka na lang na ma-hire. Once na ma-hire ka na, si DMW na yung magbibigay ng instructions kung ano yung magagawin. Then, hanggang sa makarating ka na dito sa South Korea.